I'm Jennifer and I'm going to show you how to install nasty rings. First I'm going to take my wireless controller, my wire harness, and I'm going to get it all nice and laid out. Of course mine's a little tangled, but we'll take care of that. Just going to lay it out sort of the way I want it to go. You want to make sure that your hot and ground wire are over near your battery. There's some little sticky pads on here. What I'm going to do is take those off. I've already cleaned it underneath with alcohol, so make sure it's nice and clean and it'll stick. So I'm just going to take these off and stick it right under there. Okay, then next, and of course you can do this however you want, but I'm going to lift up my battery box, run this wire underneath, just to hide it kind of. And I'm going to go ahead and hook up my red wire. I'm going to hook up my ground. Those are just finger tight for now, and I'll tighten those up later. And then I'm going to make sure that I have a green light on my box, which of course I've mounted it, now I can't see it.